Hey guys, this is absolutely urgent. The market could collapse as much as 50% in the next 50 trading days. Now, I'm recording this on October 9th, 2025. And the reason for the urgency is this drop is likely to begin today on October 9th, like the beginning of the drop. So if you go and analyze every historic crash, it does not just come out like even the crash in October 19th, 1929, it does not happen like all in one day, even though it's known to be the one-day crash where the market almost collapses close to 30% in a single trading session. I think we could be witnessing that over the course of next 12 days. Okay, but like today on October 9th is when the market begins rolling over. You can easily get a move expansion day where the market is down 80 to 100 points on S&P, which it hasn't done in like 6 fucking months. So the meaning of this move expansion that's got probably a 95+% probability of taking place today is your option values going forward from here. Like the move expansion happens today, October 9th. People get the fucking message. Oh my God, this is a wake-up call. Market can actually go down. And as a result of that, your options pricing is going to completely change from the way it was due to the market complacency over the course of a couple of months. Literally, we've been buying these put options like dirt fucking cheap, like pennies compared to what you're normally priced at. And so even in the context of a 20 or 40%, 20 or 40 point move on S&P, we're still able to put together 2, 3, 4, 5, and instances even 7x trades on such a small move. It is accomplished because, why? Options are so dirt cheap. Now, once the move expansion happens, okay, forget about it, okay? Options are going to go to the fucking moon as far as options pricing. So when people are saying, well, I want to nail the crash, I want to make big money on the big drop, well, guess what? If you really want to do that, you got to catch the first day of the drop and you got to space out your positions. In other words, you buy today expiration, like literally October 9th, fucking today expiration on NASDAQ, S&P, RTY, all the futures. You guys know if you follow the channel, you know all the products that we're trading, okay, that could make you fucking 50x today. You can make 100x between today and tomorrow on the drop. You can make 100 fucking x. If you don't know how to do that, clearly you need to get in touch with the 13 Market Moves coach right the fuck now. So, guys, this is truly an exciting opportunity for anyone that understands what I just said. Okay, this is the day where market begins rolling over, and you gotta enter. Like the money straight up is made on entries and exits. Okay, you can sit, watch every one of my videos, and you could still lose your fucking ass because you don't know when the fuck to enter and when the fuck to exit. Okay, and if you want to do that, you got to work with a coach. So it's not simply enough to understand, oh, well, the bubble is going to burst. The market's going to fucking... Like, that information is nothing. Okay, you need to be specific, okay, on which day do I fucking go big. Okay, you want to make big fucking money? You go big on a day when it makes complete fucking 100% sense of going big. And I'm telling you, October 9th, today, 2025, and, for full disclosure, have we bought puts yesterday already in the expectation of what's likely to take place today on October 9th? Absolutely. Did we buy puts on 2 days ago in the expectation of what's going to be transpiring, today, tomorrow, next week? Yes. What I'm saying is you space out your options. You buy some today's expiration, October 9th, but you also buy some October 13th, October 17th, October 20th expiration. You space them out, all those puts across the next couple of weeks. Because, guys, check this out, okay? If you don't enter today, all right, options are going to go to the fucking moon as far as the options pricing. They're going to carry a 5 times more premium tomorrow. So it doesn't matter if you're buying today's expiration or if you're buying, if you're buying today's expiration later in the day. Of course, that shit could be already 20x from the time I'm recording this. I mean, we're still trading close to 6,800 on S&P. We're trading around 25.3 on NASDAQ futures. We're trading around 24.97 like call it 2,500 on Russell 2000 futures. Okay. I mean, all that stuff can change rather rapidly to that. So your goal is to catch your entry before the options pricing is going to reflect the massive collapse that could be happening. Now, let me tell you exactly how wild this could get. Okay, the markets in 1973 dropped 50% within 6 months. We're no longer in this sort of markets. And when you look at the context, when I say we're no longer in this sort of markets, like the moves can happen much greater to a much greater extent. So the 6 months moves that took place in 1973 could now take just a fraction of time, which is why I titled the video 50% drop within 50 trading days. Like literally the market could go down to 3,600 or something in that neighborhood. Do you understand that's going to be below the fucking April lows, which was around 4,800? And we're at 6,800 right now. Nobody can even, like, if you're a trader that's been trading every day, watching the market go high and high, you can't even fucking process this information right now. You're going to think that I'm fucking joking, but I'm not fucking joking. I'm here literally telling you that you could be looking at one of the greatest fucking crashes in history. And it's not a coincidence that we're 10 days from a historic crash of October 1987, which was the biggest one-day drop in financial history. And I'm not going to be shocked if we actually going to beat the size of this drop in the next 12 days. There could be a day where we could have a drop that's going to exceed the drop in 1987 because the market state is completely fucked. Your 17-year fucking bull run, market is up 50% in last 6 months, and yet people still think the shit is going to go higher motherfucking-entially. How fucking retarded and ridiculous is this? Okay? That even the greatest traders of all traders, they go on CNBC and they talk how this bubble it's got so much upside. It's going to fucking do this. It's going to go. Look, forget about all the economic news because the market doesn't respond to economic news. It hasn't been responded to economic news for years now because they're all fake. It's fucking, like, the shit that they're reporting, it doesn't matter. Now with the government shut down, they're not reporting anything. Doesn't fucking matter. Where it comes a point where markets, they simply goddamn collapse. There's no catalyst needed for this. Guys, listen to this. You're going to walk in tomorrow, in your trading setup, you're going to open your computer screens, okay? You're going to look at your phone and you're going to be like, holy fuck, how can the market be this fucking red? Well, it's not going to be a shocker here to us at 13 Market Moves because we've been preparing for a moment like this. And guys, there is, like, for people that follow the channel, but they really don't pay any motherfucking attention, it's a shame because you should have made a ton of money. Like from the time we literally went big on gold calls, gold is up 600 points in last 30 days. So like for those guys that are trying to schedule a call, they're like, well, Leo, I haven't made money. How the fuck did you not make money? Like if you were in the alert group, every day I've been messaging like, buy gold calls, short oil. Gold's been up fucking exponentially on calls. Oil, periodically, on a slightly bigger drop. Like there are days where oil just drops like 60 cents, a dollar. Okay, unfortunately, that doesn't help you put together big trades. But there are days where oil's gone above $1.50 drop, $2. Those days, guys, those days with same day expiration on oil, they fucking make you 30x. 35x, depending on exactly how you pick your strikes for that day and exactly, again, what it all boils down to. It's the entries, damn it. It's the entries that make you the money. So don't be the fucking guy that listens to this message and be like, oh, well, let me see what the market's going to do tomorrow. Yeah, that's why you don't make any fucking money, okay? Because you want to see shit happen first before you can convince yourself to get into a fucking trade. By definition, you have to get into the trade before the move happens. And yet, what most of the traders do, it's sickening. They wait till the move happens and then they want to get into the motherfucking trade. How ridiculous is this? Stop doing this shit. You're going to be looking at this market collapsing for the next 30 motherfucking days, and then you're going to be like, oh my God, Leo is right. It's really indeed crashing. Well, let me get in now. Well, you're going to be paying fucking 50 times more for put options than what we're paying for them yesterday and today. And then you're going to be wondering, well, how's Leo doing these 100x trades? How's that possible? Well, because we get in them before the shit happens. Not like you. Oh my God, it's crashing. Well, let me buy some puts. No, that's not how it fucking works. So stop the insanity. Grab your balls and get in these trades before the fucking collapse happens. Now, this is a highly contrarian view simply from the standpoint that there's not one single motherfucker on Wall Street who is short right now because they think it is dangerous to short this kind of market environment. But you have daily situations that are happening like, hold on, AMD is giving up 10% of their fucking company? Like, what kind of shit is that? Like, guys, you don't fucking give up 10% of your company, okay, unless something is fucking wrong. And yet, somehow, the market interprets this as the greatest fucking thing that ever happened to AMD. That is the very thing that's going to tank AMD shares. I'm not saying today, tomorrow. Like, when you look 12 months, fucking 36 months from now, AMD is going to be trading fucking 80% lower than where it's at today. And I don't mean to single out AMD, but it's just like, when stuff is so obvious and the market reaction is completely the opposite of what it should be doing, and proper questions are not raised, I mean, the market is just at a pure level and state of stupidity that if you don't short it, you are not a self-respecting trader, damn it. How can you respect yourself if the market throws bullshit at you every day? News and economy and politics throws bullshit at you every fucking day. And you, what are you supposed to just sit there and buy the bullshit that's being thrown at you? No, you're supposed to look for market opportunities. But I promise you, as someone who's been to markets around the block many fucking times, okay, I can tell you this, that the opportunity is not going with a consensus if you want to make big money. The opportunity in the markets derives from you having your own goddamn brains trying to decipher what's happening with the market. And I promise you, nobody has ever made a shitload of money buying a 17-year-old bull market when the market is up 50% in the last 6 months. By definition and mathematical probability, you're not going to make shit if you're buying calls now. You're not going to make shit if you're buying stocks now. You're not going to make fucking shit if you're buying Bitcoin at 125,000 because you think it's going to a goddamn million. How fucking stupid does somebody have to be not to understand that there were people buying Bitcoin for 1 penny, for 10 cents, that are now cashing out at 125,000? Why do you think it cannot break out higher? Yeah, this is the exact moment where everybody's convinced, well, Bitcoin can only go higher. Ethereum, like, look at these fucking stupid predictions. Ethereum 60,000? Like, is anybody there? Like, what the fuck? Like, this is, okay, the fact that we're in a bubble is not the question. The question is, when do you enter? When do you fucking go big? And I'm telling you, okay, October 9, 2025. This is not the time to fuck around. Oh, let me buy a couple of puts. No, you go fucking big. Because you may never get another exceptional entry like this in the markets for another, 10 years. So, guys, grab your balls, take action. If you don't know exactly what the fuck to do, how to put these 100x trades that are staring you right in your eyeballs, get in touch with 30 Market Moves. Get in touch with your coach. And do it big this time. Do it fucking big. Let's roll.